Today I will talk about how can you enable likes notifications on your Market Coins app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here or this photo here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on settings. You come to next step here, then all you have to do, just click on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list, and you just go down here. You come here to likes, just clicking this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here likes notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.